Cause you walk a look for me pan Finding Nemo and the blood clot things them. You walk a look for me pan Finding Nemo and the things them. So you draw 2,000 worth of crowd over here per my name for the whole day yesterday. But since I say you want to do it, say yes, you really want to do it. But I'm going to tell you exactly how I feel. I don't like you. You're evil and you're wicked for a parent. He's an opportunist. You only love people for what them can give to you. So bear in mind, true me say what they say. Mothers, they are come up, and if you was a loving mother, me that send you one, me that give you 50,000, and that's why you never show up a court because you have the 50,000 in your mind. You're not gonna get it. Go back to the court date. Me not gonna pay for love me. Me not gonna pay for be a parent. Me not gonna pay for nothing. You not gonna get nothing from me. Me don't like a bone will make you up. Nobody proud of me. Don't bother proud of me. The Bible says when your mother and your father the Bible says when your mother and father forsake the Lord shall pick you up. Don't bother proud of me. You come over here, you group up with who not like me, and you do the things them that no work out. You come back over here, you still on your body, you do the most, that still no work out. No, you come over here, I talk about, I love my 2 daughters. And when I can't get another man, I can't get another pick. They should have known that long time. They should have known that man long time. You forgot? No, so you come over, come do. You come over here and try to mash me up on the internet. That was your motive. And when it don't work out, you come now, you cry, you're so proud. Me know you're proud of me. See Bella them? I read that Bella proud of me and Shakita them and some 2 other people over here. But I don't know if I'm nowhere. I never meet in my life yet. I don't want you proud of me. I don't like you. You're a wicked woman. You come now when I broke and hungry now, you come now for ring something name for beg for somebody sorry for you to the 2,000 people and say, oh, why Rosalie do her mother that? That is what you want. You look sympathy. I want to play one pity party and I cry. Like somebody, you can't go look work, you know. You can't get that from me. Remember you tell me say me a cough already. I mean I have nothing. I'm a big and shit but I don't man no want me. I don't know you make me look so. Remember, I'm not want to go down on a whole heap of details, you know. But I just want to tell you publicly, stop come over here, come one like say, me and you related, we're not. You're dead to me. I'm want to stay in the atmosphere. You're dead to me. And as long as you have breath blowing in your body, you will never get a sweetie from me trying or sick. Me not show up. No event, no funeral, no me do all I want upon that side, me lock no off. You forgot nowadays, yeah? You forgot? This Sunday when La Marsha click her live and I rub me out like 120 bag and I tell me I'm shape bad and this and that. Well, you never call her and tell her, say, don't be a big sister like that because I'm proud of her. No. No. You should have ring her and follow, say, don't do that. And your sister, I'm blood thicker than water. No. You sit there, I mean, know you hear it because the whole house, someone, the whole on the slung on the house and chat and plan. I regular when I live down there, I used to sit down and chat me. Because when me a pass in the doorway, on the ear my voice, On the ear me I come, I'm reach, I'm stop. On the stop talk, I'm you not talk about. Anytime you see two people that y'all walk come up the road, you see two people that have a conversation. And when they reach them, stop talk, it's you them I talk about automatically. Don't like a bone to make you. From a buy me carry your bad mind me. And you make blood clot Charlene influence you. And Charlene now influence her blood clot sound with a chopper. And she now influence her blood clot sexy daughter. But you make people influence against fear pitney until if a gas station will claim how much in thousands of dollars. I want to work out the cup. I am so proud. Don't proud of me. Click your live and beg like how I click my live and beg and take bring down for mines. Proud of me. You know what hurt me last night when I can't sleep? When I see it. You know what hurt me last night when I can't sleep? The audacity where you have to sit down and I cry and I talk about you're proud. Me know why you're proud of me. The Bible says when your mother and your father forsake you, the Lord shall pick you up. It's you make me stay so. It's you make me grow so. It's you make me stay so. You make me grow defensive. And everything is just in you. Because what the world not understand say. It's when you have a pity them and you don't show them love from a tender age. When a tender age, them grow up to be monsters like myself. Check on the people them over here where the mama eat them and them eat them mama. Them all crosses like myself. We don't grow no love. We don't grow no love. I will walk around and search for it from people. It's always a betrayal. Because we don't grow with it so we don't even know what it is. We don't know it. Next month, me a 33-year-old and me don't know love. Don't know what it is. I don't even know what the meaning. But just feel in my mind tell me if I feel. Because I not grow with it, so I don't know it. You did love me when me I grow. You angle me, you class me. You use iron bust me head, you do all of the above. What are you talking about? When karma reach your doorway, don't come over here, come cry. You have more forget. You forgot? You forgot? When karma reach your doorway, you have stay over there and cry. And don't call me name. Tap come over here and take social media for Papi Show. Come on, let the rules come on big enough can talk. I want me tap me no care. My crotches get tampered with when I'm small. Anisha, your man feel her up in the day of court. And Lamasha start catch man from she at 13, you sell her. I tell her, leave me sorry if she not started. That is who you are. You have to cry. No. If you don't want sorry for her, I'm not sorry for her. You hear what I say? My catches get tampered with for me a baby. Anisha, Lamasha father did feel her up when she has several old and they are court. And Lamasha start going from she around 13 or 12. She sell her to man for money. I kill her alone, I'm sorry for. You should not start yet. And you and your mama are the same thing. That's why retribution I take your mama too in the whole house to save you. Because fear mama did have fear man a grind off Kenisha when she a pitney. And when she got a court, when them found she got a court, she said she don't know of that. At home, them put the little girl. The whole of I said thing. Chick no far fly from the black. That's why I stay far from when I come and want to curse by me. Yeah. Your mama have your girl the whole of uno, and you have your picking them and girl the whole of them. Mine was taken from me, and you make my own them take them from me. You. In the last 30 days, them you are the ending result why them take them from me. Because if you never come up on social media, I make people I gotta tell about what I'm gonna do to you when you come in and you know me not do nothing. And the argument never start up, me not have to pity them from now. At that, me can't get them back till 2 year time. So you put icing on the cake. Eh? Woman, I don't like a bone will make you. Me eat my mama. I don't like a bone will make you, not even the bone will make you. I don't even like to see you. He's a wicked person. So don't ball to me, go ball to God. Don't ball to me, go ball to God. I tell me go long and see you. And my kids them come to me. And me kid them something like every week. So before them leave, everybody have to give me the word kiss. Barbara no love give do more kiss. And sometimes I force him to kiss him, force him. When Chanta will kiss me upon the mouth, Barbara no love give do more kiss. Family longer time I saw him stay. Him is a different set of picnic. I go to come. Just so. So, at any point in them life, them can say, I never live with my mother and life did rough, but at least each of my mother see me and give me something. She say, give me a kiss. So when I go around the world and come back, I still have them back. Nobody can never, ever pay me in my head, pay me or influence me for go against who me birth. You never did know. So I don't want to know that, but oh, Rosalie wicked, nobody. People have parents who have kids. Nobody can influence you for go against no picnic. It's if somebody influence you go against who no birth, who no are wicked. Because the Bible tells us, cease to the child that you bear. It's you bear it. It's your child. Whatever it may be or whatever it wants to be, you have to accept it as your child. If you don't fear it already. The Bible tells us, cease to the child that you bear. A year sore. Fingers stink, you can't try to even dress it. I make to be influenced. If you carry my coat, you sit down and you class me, your big foot on and that a class me. And when it's not going away, you come over your ball or you're proud. Don't proud of me. Nobody proud of me. Don't bother proud of me. Keep up the same energy because you're not going to get mines. No come over here and proud of me because you want mines because you're not going to get mines. No, so you take me for coffee. You say to me for coffee. People wanna grow love can't know love. I wanna meet some people in them life. You know, meet some people in our own life where I gotta do one bag of foolishness and others have to accept it because we not telling ourselves so, we not safe here so. People don't know love, people not grow love, no know it. I mean, not grow love, so I don't know none. That's why I'm very defensive when I like you. Top call me name. Not proud of me. Me have the same shape bad. No man no one cruff little girl from me at 29. You can't get dollar from me. I don't know where you come over here. The top call me name. I don't know you from nowhere. I don't like you. Oh. Now destruction and crosses. Yeah. I said from my bottom of my toe. And when I come talk about, my breed very young. And baby, not do your head you use. Because if you breed young, if you breed young, and you make a mistake with the first, or come to make a mistake with the second or your third, it's a pattern. All the fourth. Come God, see if you go see Kelly ever want bed and a ear one come. I don't have man. It's 2 man you have. You have husband and you have side man. It's a pattern for you. It's a pattern for you. Remember the morning exactly when they look at me and tell me, them tell me I'm 29-year-old, 29. You look at me bluntly, you tell me, say, me's a croft. I mean, I have nothing. I see younger than me have things. Me's a croft. You tell me, say, me's a croft. I see younger than me have things. And I know you, my big and shape bad. You forgot? I know man no want me. You forgot? Yeah. Them time there, I just come on TikTok and I save my local money. I never have no bed. The first bed of my own. I bingo around up with my throw and bite. When I just come out of the house, come and live around them, I sleep around the pan ground with my baby. You know, I like to tell the people them, come tell the people, they have chat. Come tell the people them say, me work my way for be where me want to be in a life. When I just breathe, me not have bed. Grung me asleep on my breed. Grung. Baby don't even walk it and a power all dirty mattress, but throw a sheep on it and I see, look at me now. Tell the people them that. Tell them that. Tell them me never have no stove or hot plate me a cook pan. Tell them me never have nothing. Come tell them that. Come tell them that. Say I've sit and I've watched my child. I watch everyone be to me. Take up herself and push herself and motivate herself to be something in life. Tell the people them that. I work hard and take what I bring down and slaughteration. Tell the people them that. Don't you ever dare come over here and talk about you're proud of what? You condemn me already and throw me in the bin. If you song and tell me how me shape bad as my mama, anybody can tell me anything. You scar me for life. Where you can't fix. No call me name. Come on, no call you, so me I tell you this with tears in my blood clot. I no one call on and see if you got me have things that don't leave me alone, you know, I don't like you. Avoid me. Alright. Leave me alone, avoid me. No want me to fall out. Fight me, please. Alright. I mean, know what you do. Avoid me. Oh, you know, from you are nobody. Avoid me. Stay far from me. You think me a mascot? You forgot? Stop forget the things that you do me and stop come over here, come go like I'm doing something. Oh, I'm so proud because you want something for beg. You know, it would have nice. You know, it would have nice on TikTok. To see me, you, and my sister play one family match for the first time. It would have nice. to see family come together and play a couples match by ya. Sure, we long but play match as family, and I get something so we can eat and drink something. You know, no come over here, come do, no come over here, come friend the enemy them. I want to work out to no one on a sorry. La match at my house from the Friday or the Saturday. And when La Marsha left my yard the Sunday, me get La Marsha food and get money and pay her Uber. And when La Marsha come reach a TV you Monday morning, La Marsha click her live and go against me. Or you click her live and go against me and make it seem as if me a liar to mash up my platform. I want the women in an argument, she finally confess. Her tone and her statement made me realize that it was just the truth I was telling all along. And she don't know that my she up. You understand what I say? So, the whole I want to sit down and group up, chat me, come up with a plan, come and feel it on the internet. If you mash me up, I want to work out. You did love me for my taller time. I'm still your daughter. You did love me for my taller time. I am still your daughter. And you're so proud of me. Don't proud of me. Go proud of the rest of them what you have done there. Proud of me, no sorry for me. You want to try to love me when it's too late. I mean, I want your love. Next month, me at 33. I don't want your love. And I have said before, I just said before, I can't say it now. When you have a pitney them and they don't grow with love, them cannot never identify it. So, all my life, I keep on a search of love in some places. Can't identify it. Never grow with it. Or it feel. What it look like. Or it taste. Or it smell. No, know it. I don't know it. Because one person who love me in my lifetime, for a lifetime, becomes a back and belly rat. My mama the prime example why I'm afraid of people. I'm afraid of people. Then if you can do your own, so we let people do me when me and them are nothing. Sure. Me a papa show. If you can do your own, so we let people do people and you and them are nothing. I from a small world, my family Marie, Priscilla, then, Stefan and the whole of them. Them parents 30 years ago, you know. You don't like me, your mother like you. Long time. Them tell me from before me reach teenager stage. Your mama not like you. And I have grown to see they prove you right. Every single time. You don't like me. No, you use my weakness and I play with me emotionally, you play with my weakness because you know I'm weak. You sit down and you play with it. Don't come to them, but you're proud. You sorry for me? Woman, me no office, woman, avoid me here. If you know how good you just avoid me. Because what? If I put down somebody to be the worstest thing, how can I say no that I'm proud? What are you proud of? Because what? You want to say that now? Forgetting my head, my feet, I just my feelings you work off. So you try to use a brain for wonder if I still love you. If me still have the mother and that of it, no. And as some of the human beings stay. Uno work off of people's feelings and emotion. You think me stupid? Me not like you. No time. Don't feel me out. Me no want you as my mama proud me no time. No time. No sorry for me. Your proud can't stay. When me the want it the most, you never give me it. So nobody give me it now. Keep it and yam it. And use it brush your teeth. Wash out your hole. Don't ramp with me. But dark like midnight. Top call up my name over this. Because even a top call up my name, me not figure me not hold no more argument. Top call my name. Come over here, beg where you beg and tap mention my name until a daughter tap mention my name. Two. Cause she want next ungrateful like a serpent, the tone of demons. Cause what me do for she? So what me do for she? You never do it for her yet. And she come over here and she style me, I'm shape bad, and she class me and she dip. And she know she's playing with the devil's advocate. She top play the ball game. Cause when I go silent, she not gonna like it. Tell La Marsha to stop mentioning my name and leave me alone. Alright. It's so far I stay for you. And to that the last time I come talk about you, me I tell you no, leave me alone. Because it's not go nice and the world I go cry shame on me. I am very ashamed of you. Yeah. I mean I go care. Avoid me. Me don't want to no love. Me don't want to no respect. Me don't know nothing. The two family me have in my lifetime are my two people them. Them they are my family. Me don't have no more. Yeah. Not like you. Move. My son is 8-year-old. My son is 8-year-old. 8. And you're big 40 and the old woman so 50. Me I look fit more and find it. When me inbox there, oh see it here. I am send me them something here. Him send me them something here. Him always send me them something here. You know last thing my son sent me see it here? Look.
It's your birthday, so I know you want to ride out. Even if we
You see what it says?
birthday, so I
Next month is June. Don't forget whose birthday it is. I'm a son of 8-year-old. Yeah, 8. Next month is June. Don't forget whose birthday it is coming. See there. I am sending it. Sunday. Oh. I remember not that much. And that's supposed to show you say my 8 and him still remember me. You play with me emotion and my feeling. I want to do things. Stop. Because this minute you don't love people and the next minute you do them wicked things. Stop. Tap. My kids them not live with me. I'm gonna look for them. I'm gonna see you on the weekend. Make sure join something down there Kwakawa. I make my father do if he can go down there weekend time. When I give them, I always remember to say kiss. Shantan kiss me as some Barbara. Barbara no love kiss for mouth and him small. A long time him stay so. So him give me the kiss here so. Sometimes it come here so. Shan kiss here so. She more affectionate more than him. I don't my two family. Me don't know nothing. You know, back and belly rat poison. The true definition of Judas 30 people. I'm not say this with spitting in my mouth. Me I say this with vengeance and me I do not dirty family. On a sit with the enemy to tear me apart and rip me to threads. I will not work out to not come tab. No look no sympathy for me coming again none. Woman go chuck. Woman, you know if you do Laverne, along a 3 mile and chuck off a Andrew Holness bridge. That's if you go do. But a ball for me. You hear what Ali tell her one day, what day, yeah, in the house? Laverne for me like you, I'm going to call my ball. My ball pan a dirty blood clot, me hear everything. You easy to go under influence. And when I go under influence, you easy to go under influence. And when I go under fucking influence, you easy to go under influence. And when you're under influence, people can't tell you anything you work with because when you're weak. Me not weak anymore. Me I try learn to love me. Me no want to love for you. And me is a true definition of and a prime example when your mother and father forsake you, the Lord shall pick you up. That's what me is a prodigal of it. Because my mom not like me and my father worse. My father treat me bad too, you know. Him and the next one too, you know. Him treat me bad too, you know. I'm too bro and picking them in them like. And the two of them they are finding them wouldn't send him $100. And my phone him I call him house, him car, him hungry, him this, him that. And the two one away so long on mine over the years not even send them $100 America them live. Sometimes I come in answer. Think me nice? Because I'm so long and program these things. My parents, they make me so cruel in a life. It's just that me have sense. Because if most are done person that they are prison already. Because they don't love me. My father so long and nourish my two brothers to them with the American now. When I send them $100 and if them ring on my phone anymore, so me see my call me and I not answer. Them now say they want $100 and I find them live. I want to call my phone, you have demands like me. Oh, you remember you never like me when me young. You and my mom are the same thing. Look at me. No! The stone that the builder refused can be them head cornerstone. You wicked man. You see all him, he said, I got a country weekend and give me. I got to tell him, look here now, don't call him a phone. Because remember you never used to mind me when me young. Me I get this. Tap call on my phone because I not going to answer. And walk away. The stone that the builder refused can be a head cornerstone. You never know. Me are the true definition of a lot of things in life. Only eat me like pies. I'm not even talking about my father because sometimes I put him aside. Because it's when a brother have a pitney, when father can say no, mama have to say yes. So every blame you. You make me not know love. You make me grow rough. You never take the time and patience and effort for try without nothing. I know that's me reach a stage in my life where I can achieve a lot. You come and you try to destroy my platform I create. Remember you go up and protest with the dirty Batman on them, whatever you want name, and the tool could self-up or them down a town. This is Laverne justice. What kind of justice you need? What kind of justice you need? What the justice the way you want? You don't want a justice. Tell me what the justice the way you want. What the justice the way you want? Me in a Alabalo. Me and you in a Alabalo. And things happen. And you look sitting by your face so you make it dry and you click your live and you cry to people who want me to do you. Till people over here but oh she stabbed her mother. Oh she get 25 stitches. You don't even go to the doctor. You are one wicked woman. It's some guy call us, you can say the guy that I'm smiling. You are one wicked syndicate woman. Vibe me, no call my name. Don't proud of me. Me receive things some people me don't know, me never meet yet. Stranger in our life. See the potential in me where you can't, where you would never see, would never find. Me hate you. I will ever hate you. I may tell you this today, the 20th, and not me. Me not like a bone to make you. Nah, none of you pity them. None of them me not like. Me not like you. Me not like you pity them. I say, I like you come over there and chat. Me not like she neither. And the whole of us something that germs people were nasty alike. I want people to tell about the nastiness and the vex. If I buy the BMW, if I'm Akim can I go buy the BMW, your eye get red. And people in your ears don't see you. Because of money. Because you didn't expect me to come over here, take me bring down, take me disgrace, and mind you. So you can walk and have all 40,000 levitating man. With no bills, rent free, no bills to pay. And you live careless up until you're soon 50, 60. But I'm smarter than you. Because I will have $1 $5. Me not fix that. Yeah. And my sister over here chat. I go down there sometime prior. You heard to me now, no? I'm June. When I go over odds and chop and say they can buy the house so my mother living at me. It's a girl, I'm not upon that. I don't like you know. The whole of you know are some back and belly rat. Wicked are people, house enemy, vampire. Because he said, if only did real to me and love me as what you are trying to say now, you would have friend me enemy. All along, the people them. All along, the people them on social media bring me down. None of them never make social media page and say, no, come off of my pitney, look at my pitney name and cuss people bring me down. No. You don't want to make social media page when you see me buy a car. Because when I red eye me from a car, I feel like say, only can get it in a 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 seconds. Or 5 goes. Red eye. I'm a BMW I buy. Show me say my mama red eye. And I've almost 4 years I spend on social media and save mines. I save my money. When I just start this, I start to save money before me even start buying clothes. Me didn't need a kid. I'm still on and tell myself, so when I come from down a town and sell sidewalk, me now go back there. Remember when I just come over here, me had the live a roadside. A road dog asked me how much I owe for my internet. I'm say 10,000. I'm say me peer gift tonight. And tell me say stop the live a road. Till me can catch in one corner, till me can move around. I have worked my ass here. I have sit and I've worked my ass to where I want to be in life. Means I go get on a John Crow. Call my name. You're dead to me. You want your Philistine word and where you birth. No call my name. You know you're proud of me. Not time. Leave me alone. Because if you don't leave me alone, it's going to get technical. Me and you are going to live down on the precinct, and me are going to live up on your majesty, your highest majesty. We're going to live up there. Because what? You know, the worst thing in life is who you care about hurt the most. Because the people you don't care about can't do nothing because you don't care about them. All the one who you care about doing the things them. Me not like a bone to make you. Me not like a bone to make you. Be a one wicked, dirty woman. That's why y'all live so. You know, see, you get a bit rough. Me say shilling use one ratchet back and juke in the yeah, so. And me give money for that, and I know you don't press charge. I know you don't press charge for shilling. I know. You don't press charge for shilling. Your eye is well big, so nobody defends you. Nobody. Just easy, na man. I'm talk out of my mouth before me have to block you. Nobody defends you. Me are the only person who are going to put myself in a problem for you. I'm the only person to go to the doctor. And I know you went to the doctor, you got a medical report, and I know you're not walk a searching for like car up, but you walk a searching me for like me up because I have money. Me say money on the demands on our demons. Money are someone on the demands on a red eye and bad mind and grudgeful. You as my mama make me 8, 9, 10, 11 people in her life. Yeah. I don't want them around me. I live alone. I don't want nobody in my yard. No friend will come around me for when they want something for them me out. I don't want nobody around me. I don't want nobody around me. And you as my mom make me stay so. So any cry where I cry, I calm, I beaten, take it. You forgot? I am still the cuff little girl, the shape by little girl when I'm now 2, 3 years now. Me still cuff and my shape not change. So when the one on come chat, oh she this and she that, them are wicked. Me still shape, but I'm shape not change. Remember, I'm still shape bad. Me could have never ever hear nobody that tear down my blood clot pitney and that burn me to the core. Them could have slung with people that class my pitney. If you say me could have slung with people that class my pitney. For your class my pitney, I don't have nothing to do with you. Or someone who's seriously money hungry over here. And that's money on a problem. I could have never sit on no screen with nobody that class and tear my belly pain apart. Never. I could never slump on one screen with somebody with people I know eat who me love. Never. That never make no sense. I grew up vengeance and my heart for your woman. I train your mama because I don't do your things. I tell the people them now, I train your mad, you done your mama already, make me not do your things. Because if it was one typical little girl, every day we live down on the precinct. As I call my name, so me book my Uber, I walk it. I walk from your reach your yard, pure stone. Because when me a come, never know me a come. Because me a come like thief in the night. And me a sit down and bleach out your gate with payers. I see you, I draw all the curtain them out of muscle bar and pay for the buckle them. And just a buckle and stone your house. So, because you your mama already. Father God now seen me. Him say I know everything. Oh, you're wicked. Imagine. It's a cycle. Your mama make fear man grind off Kenisha. You man tamper with my catches when me a pick baby. You make your baby father feel up Anisha, which is Lamasha father feel up. Let me show you when she said Lamasha father feel up Anisha when she was 7-year-old, you know. And you got a quote. I hear you tell the judge, you don't know of that. Same thing with your mom attack the same thing. You don't know of that. Because be tired if you don't be there, wrap her up in the towel, put her in the room and go dash her the water. That couldn't take place. So I have to tell the judge. And me sit down and witness, you tell the local girl that Anisha say she a wicked because she send her baby father go to prison. You think you're nice? Look how wicked local girl. Me not like you come and me just send my man go to prison. You forgot? Yeah. Then when Lamasha run from her family yard and reach a you sell her virginity from her early age. It's the first person you start to print her out to a Clivey. And some other is a local man. And you know all your dirty little sister stay with a little dirty man. You get involved with it. And you send your daughter up there to get involved too. So I don't know what you're crying about. Go sell your mouth. Because what? Me can know say them two human be a pervert and me knows them two people they are pervert and send my picnic go to the pervert camp. You know what type of person they are how long they are involved with them. You know say your sister that man a pervert. How the world like me one good content in a war. What?
Every day miss yourself, promote a party, the man. Me I come at Jamaica now, the people them come take picture every day over here, miss up your blood class self, and we have promotion for do. A carbon now we are selling ticket, man. Sure, man, Jesus Christ. A ticket if you are sell, loud this man, if you are second man, a ticket we are sell. You know what, full up your venue. You want people chat you? Load this man for your second man. I'm going to come here. Matter of fact, me roll up a split and call live. Give me 20 minutes. Come man, load this alone, man. You have party for promote, man. Sure. You tell them they kill your blood clot energy and you for your blood clot energy, then the people them gone left you. You better not take a slice out of my blood clot book. Promote the party every day. Get up about a blood clot. People say if you don't care, you don't care. Promote the party, man. Now come, man. Run too much. You could have beat me. Promote the party, man. Every day, but sure.
What for other roof in her box? What up? Mama like a cigarette. People always love Rosalie. Means it's a broken vessel. Sometimes I just talk about the Rosalie woman, but what I say, go. I'm not gonna discuss them anymore. I'm a bet say Munchie at the world dog. Munchie son I want long time hypocrite, you know. Shot me I look 2 galaxies and me can touch the rank board at 99. Shot me I look 2 galaxy. So we can't touch the rank board at 99. My wife, should I buy her ticket Friday? And I got discuss things. Then my wife, should I buy her ticket Friday? Chat, remember June the 26th, the big bag party. We're gonna start with the ticket outlet, boy. Chat, I look 2 galaxy. Ginger Lily Warmer! That's some mistake. Sometimes I can't. How did I remote here? She had the world dog, you know. And the world dog have to come show. Mash up my commitment. Track me I look 2 galaxy. No, and I really said always my headache, you know. I was overthinking. And I really said warm to my headache, you know. Me that overthink, man, so Chat, me I look some galaxy.
Wow, Charmin Ultra Soft Smooth Tear is so much softer and way more absorbent.
The wicked came to eat up my flesh. They stumbled and fell. Can't stop, you know worry about them. I mean your little one, the granny said feel no friend. The man of water house and a woman the mountain. They get me first girl when I was around 10. They can tell me about coming up and they tell me about men. They enjoy me life, start giving out them. Cause in the same you know money don't spend. Just another man that you feel know them. All the girls that when you're ready, you feel so around them. This one is G-rated and the camera too. A river full of my cranberry fountain. More city turn up, everybody's open. This is where you're not and that one is open. Them I wish to see you up in the body open. The circle in a mobile, you know some money don't spend. Rice bag of barricade, you know me get around them. Blue feet, blue jeans, me I put it on. White shirt with the tee, me I put it on. You was cold off in me I put it on. Girl I send a bag of style for the Capricorn. The package of fireman can't come.
Why is she a fly?
She wants chance.
I love my vibe.
Can you do this something like a Karen? Cause I'm mystery now, I worry about that. I know for them I see where I sit down and chat. You must have done that, you know she said them want that. They never beg you nothing to put in a my pot. Cash the round and the run and make them remember Kylat. Can you bump up if you're ready for the mic back? Anyway you have to go with the little like that. The two of we have couple together the night lock. But I did not the shit how they figure on my flag. And the days of JBC, when you see the room that we use it for private. We have another one, we use it for private. And another little one when we do no try chat. I never big up Gaza thing I road now. And the little thing I go I go one back. I up water, look up road to up snap. You want the sun me a been a smoke a whole crap. Don't feed no jeans, me a put it on. One shirt with the team, me a put it on. Rose gold off in me a put it on.
Try me my next month of birthday.
Dabba catch a fireman can't come. Follow me, girl, I said she want chance come. Can you do?
Chat tomorrow, Gemini season start. Him start him live yet? Chat up.
We never know that time can change. One time gone, it used to drinks and now it's dark rain. Them juvenile I need to start calling about the last name. Whenever turn out by that time, big up Shami. And never rape nobody can't pick me, I get caught up in the fast lane. Who know the dog, but I stay on the phone and can't get him. Who know the girl, but that's a form of because me have me. You might not work a back road, but you do the same thing. Every time I jump, you happen, you know to me come like a painting. Who know the style, know the style, know the style.
So we gotta get some galaxy for into the ranking.
Who know the style, know the style, know the style. One time, me that boyfriend and this. One time, we were the bigger than this. Still by myself, nobody not to understand this. This never did be on something, no, we never plan this. Nah, we make it pass a little drama. When them all clean up themselves, we keep it calm. I feel like no can conquer the world now. No can conquer the world. Why you want them to this and out and turn farmer? Man, they are still when them think we would have learned. I feel like no can conquer the world now. No, and everything man. It's too late, we're too late. No, we can find we nothing can walk. We never go to no, that time can shine. Oh, conquer. Look like them change their mind too late, we change them out, no. So I have to say this, so I have to talk about not a June, but it's just a thing, no. See the one I pass, and I just can't run, no.
Happy everybody
problem and it's evident. Underestimate, we have to redo the measurement.
Feel like
my scheme, feel like the president. Me no know, come like we in charge of every resident. Know this time, know this time, know this time, nah. Them trick one time, now, but it's another time, now. Know this time, know this time, know this time, nah.
one time, me that more friend than
One
this.
time, me that more friend than this. One time, the world is bigger than this. Still by myself, nobody not to understand this. This never did be happen, stop it, no, never done this.
For 25 years, Digicel has been keeping Jamaica better connected. From late night calls to the texts, clicks, and moments that keep us close. Celebrating 25 years. Digicel, powered by you, connected by us.
L2 Galaxy. JQ. Warmer. Outings.
Champion boy, know the damn thing. Span up, I'm a singing and center. Man, I'm chillin' with the goddamn boy. That's why everybody at the champion boy. But you can't let it on that side. I wish I never lived
Chat power top.
Man, I never sound that's why. It's like they beat me at the champion boy. Yeah. Just bust up by a man chat boy. Champion me at the champion boy. Yeah. I'm gonna name me, I'm gonna feel money, no need no more time. I need a money, come to in, I get a 9, sometimes you can't take this life. The marches, you rate me too much, every song I sing, me name at the time. Yes, I yes, you never spend an hour on the phone, I give me financial advice on advice. So, we some of them know they never surprise, fit girl, every place them get thing go by. Touch your girl, hurt the past, then you know my for a second, no, let me that. No, I'm song, can't carry on, sometimes you wonder how they survive. They get a son, sooner than 2 years now, I never feel more alive. Goddamn lie, that's why everybody at the champion boy. So I phone and a song why. You gonna see me at the champion boy. And then I have a champion boy. Flight every week me at the champion boy. Yeah, yeah. What's some picture of champion boy? Everybody know me at the champion boy. Yeah. Then you stone me, I can't come by. I can't go and go for it. Yeah, boy. Never get no right for your mash up the place. Wanna kill it when they start. Alright, would that be them favorite if me chat up with them and gossip up with them and smile. And who for mother this, your who for father this, somebody need to come get them time. And
they look like they watch up to me.
what that them want for you, admit it and not me ask them to stop studying me.
Can't remember them, you me don't remember them, but every day they remember me.
Listen, you and Jody and Maxwell, you can't get away. Champion of all, shit, I'm getting goddamn boy. That's why everybody at the champion boy. Rich Gary, Nanny, I'm Thanks boy. I wish I never lived in the champion boy. I'm gonna stop that's why. They beat me at the champion boy. Yeah, just bust up by a man shot boy. Champion me at the champion boy. I'm not a one medal for me now. Champion boy, I'm the damn thing. I'm not going to my singing and tender.
Get rid of your noisy generator that costs a fortune to refill with gas and replace it with our K2000 solar generator system. It can power your fridge, Starlink, and your 110-volt appliances. Prices start from $240,000 plus installation. Call us on 876-315-5870.
More sign of a Netflix. Pamela TV. Boy.
Just for sorry life, me a sing about it. Them a go best, them no bless, them see the success. Them see the shirt, them see the pants, but me no run press. Them try out there, them try gun, but I no connect. I beg you, hold me like a father, make me see the haters a go. Please let me take over, Father, protect your soul. Can't tell me, come here, I'm too clean.
That the man said. I'm on them too.
So what I got there for you, you know I see another good rise. Them want to kick you, get business, and I want to live for not nice. But my life, I know yours to design. Not every you can reach out. No certain days, no sacrifice. And I want to hear yourself. Give me my things, I watch them laugh. True mankind, I'm a take the star. You know them a pray for me, blessings come short. I find them out, that's how I cut them off. But I tell them business, them a taking the dark. And them a shipping the deep, but when I would find it dark. You see me get this start, and you know for me take off. So answer me prayer, cause that is me a heart. Me a beg you, hold me right there, Father. Let me see the years as I go. Please let me check you over, Father, protect your soul. Come me hard to clean. Come me hard to clean. Come me hard to clean. Give me hard to clean. Cause me alone, what me do to them. Them say they want me brother, but them a pretend. Crucify, live family. And me never talk, but me do for them. Can't you me down to realize them born with red in the eyes. I know you. I me them a criticize. Me a tell you say a million times. I give my things, I watch them laugh. True mankind, them a take me soft. You them a pray,
The mic don't
I'm up on the dark. See me get this start, and you know I'm at the car. Answer me prayer, just like this me a arm. I beg you, who up me a Father, make me see the haters a come. Please call me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Just tell me come me heart too clean. Can't tell me come me heart too clean. Come me heart too clean.
Because my heart too clean.
Hey, Google. Message Brooke that I need help walking the dogs and send directions to Central Park.
Hey, don't know my stuff. Hey, just know my stuff. Hey, don't know how far I'm coming from. Hey, don't know my stuff. Hey, just know my stuff. Hey, don't know how far. All them a let me know hungry before. All them a let me know stumble before. You a feel like it's when you're hungry for sure. Crispy not up and not on me.
I'm a switch up. My knees in idea, man. I want to go my knees. I want to put up on my knees. I want to fuck with my knees. What me call you? Right, hear me? I'm not here. Oh man, someone do our party. Call her no party and hear what she has said. I'm only got calls to the life one ICU, she has to be called, but I don't hear you. Find out one to her now. What upset her? Me just tell me what upset her. Hi Rose. Alright then. Which one? Yeah, Ben. Make sure you have Ben. Oh. One to her. Don't know, sir. I don't know why, but water coming at my eyes and I don't know what happened. Okay. Laverne, I love her. Tell me. Me and what family. You must say her mother. Don't know, sir. What if them over? Me not know that. Me go call her off the ear. But me not look for what's her life with. Yeah, stop every day. When she get there, the two call her. You get me and say, I always understand. Yeah. But never try to call her off the ear. Maybe clear up. When you mean start the people, of course, why? After we not let over here, so. After that, people, man. Either way, one must say nice chat. One must say. You don't want to buy your obligation. How could me Tubular. You see a Ben, see a Ben.
Very good, but go be a...
Ono na robot na bomba.
Man can tell about our life. Alright. I am fine. I gave away this thing closer to 2 weeks. Yeah. People see a smile, then I know the youth sleep. Yeah. Chain down for mine, so the youth weak. I see man a star, murder on the shoe fleet. Ooh, your face eyes look off in the shoe street. Yeah. Now send me a tough, them same one say the youth weak. Jumping up the game and you must stay up in the studio. Yeah. When me advice, we see how long you sleep. Back to the riches, back to the biz. No food to see me, yeah, out to me is. Now I got it, now I got it. Now I got it, me can't drop on me. Two pretty girls in, I think me never said them. Whirling up to the crib. Man, I cheat at the game, we no chat to the kid. Me left the first some boy, he run up with them live. Them all see how me doing, how me tell them good. No say them help me, and no say them good. No say them push them, the body stick. No say them when I say them should. Nah, I'm not just scared because we buy hard. If I even know the cash, and every day, seven man, let's see if they send this for me, God. Send me now, I don't know. As long as we got life, I'm alright. How are you? I am fine. Because you say me come from man can tell about our life. I'm okay, alright. How are you? I am fine. Tell us send me now, I don't know. As long as we got life.
Pampers keeps absorbing, so your baby can keep sleeping.
Leave me alone with my glass. Oh, someone that go like them, no one keep on me through the get advance. Look how much of them and you're my head. Look how much of them borrow my style and they will say by me a flash. Me not really worry about the chance. Me not worry about some little man who I try this way too last. When you see how when you get like a passan. I'm just create moments we never live in the past. From little me, I say anytime me get in me, I feel never impact. Everything so I'm getting you, tell them I bring.
Tell them mommy thing shot.
Enough man get the chance and love spend it. I don't believe in that. Man I bring foundation, new plot, man a lot. When the thing shot it off him. I make me a pray everything and I say me a feel for impact. Say everything so anywhere me go and me a step in, never feel say I'm in that. Enough man get the chance and flop, spend it. I don't believe in that. If there's ever man a time, me go lap one lap. When the thing shot it off him. Enough of them you see a chat, them a nobody. Years we a take it to them a nobody. Remember days we have to stay in the valley. Now the jacket and the glasses at the valley. Can't get free out of them, we ain't already sorry. We the over that's so we know in everybody. Can't see the world that got too much to me carry. So we look like royalty and keep it on the family. Don't know them see that it time them away. Time away. Don't know them see some of the ass of the steel. Some days of the steel. It's the time and time. Them try to find. We don't bad mind, but we never stop time and time till we make we win. Alright then, from little me, I say anytime me.
What's up? How are you?
Sure ceremony, stop checking.
Should I run a battle?
No man get the chance and love spend it. I don't believe in that. What? When the thing shut it off you. I little me, I pray everything and I say me a feel for impact.
Okay, guys, everyone tap the screen if we can. Chess, welcome back. AP, thank you for the follow. Guys, they got 2,000 people over there, so let's lock in. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. AP, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. We got Bex, the freaky basketball player in here, guys. Jess with the fireworks. That's Jess. That's freaking Jess! Ryan with the fist bump. Jess and Ryan, thank you guys so much. Jess and Ryan, thank you guys so much. And Tolkien with the gamer cat. Jess, Ryan, and Tolkien, thank you guys so much. Jess, Ryan, and Tolkien, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Let's go. Wait, Jesse, you have a glove, right? Jesse has a glove. I'm close to level 50. Guys, RJ Kirby's about to hit 50 on the team, bro. He's very close to level 50. RJ Kirby, you are a level 18 on the team. RJ Kirby's closing in on level 50 on the team, guys. The Gamer Cat and stuff animal form. Tolkien, do you remember when the Gamer Cat first came out? That was Tolkien's like favorite. Tolkien, do you remember on Studio you would spam those when I did Studio?
Yeah.
Top of a top.
Johnny Boys. I know, you know. Lose up a friend and start with more. This man I ignore. The outside man I ignore. I feel like he like I with more. Chop it up like a C4. Babylon what we live for. My life sweet like I ensure. Blessings are flow and we get more. You must be what you elevate. 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 All when time rough we celebrate. You must be what you elevate. While them a fight and a segregate. You must be what you elevate. What you elevate. We are forever negative minds. Tomorrow we love you and living in these skies. Them coming on with the road full of life. Real I am don't roll the cool them. I'm a road done great to show them. French is small and so that they chose them. Listen it up for the host them. It is there for me, it is there for you. If you start to see, then you find the truth. And your eyes to see, like a kite will flow. You don't like it, me don't like it too. You know feel what you elevate. You feel what you elevate. You know feel what you elevate. You know feel what you elevate. All when time rough we celebrate. You know feel what you elevate. While them a fight and a segregate. You know feel what you elevate. You know feel what you above for the goal. Watch out spaceship and see it. Money time in the pan it all. And you know we be can't just some friend and no more. Can't make them feel again. They got them future before. When them see the truth and the lion and roar. My mind say think when I be have a cure. Room good say we bless them and pull up their door. And your boots are set to them they overstore. It is there for me, it is there for you. If you start to see, and you find the truth, and your eyes to see, like a kite will flow. You don't like the cheat, you don't like it too. You feel what you elevate, you feel what you elevate. You feel what you elevate, you feel what you elevate. All when time rough we are celebrate. You feel what you elevate. While them a fight and a segregate. You feel what you elevate. Lose up a friend and start with more. This man I ignore. The outside man I ignore. I feel like he like I with more. I don't chop it up like a C4. Babylon what we live for. My life sweet like I ensure. Blessings are flow and we get more. You feel what you elevate. 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 The eagle eye pum pum, the eagle eye pum pum. Tight and good, more tight and good. The eagle eye pum pum, the eagle eye pum pum. Tight and good, more tight.
Hey, yeah, the eagle eye pum to shut down the numbers for tonight. My friend.
Hey babes, remember the pizza for dinner later. Come over yourself, no cooking today.
Mommy, remember the pizza for the class party tomorrow. Girl, remember the pizzas for the baby shower on Sunday.
At Domino's.com.jm, I can place future orders. I just choose my store, enter what I want, then select later on the order timing. Then I enter the date and time that I want to order, check out and pay for it, so I can spend some quality time with my husband.
Can't wait for dinner.
So I won't forget my daughter's order for pizza day at school.
Fuck.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much.
Chat double.
Hello. Can you hear?
I'm not gonna use a double chat.
I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be.
when we were younger.
Try to use a double. I try to open our ranks. I go try. Try to reach out to one father and try.
All along it was a fever, a cold sweat, hot-headed believer. I threw my hand in the air, said, show me something. You said, if you dare, come a little closer.
Shirley, thank you.
Around and around and around and around we go.
Chat Severus.
Oh, now tell me now.
Lucky, what's up, my baby?
You know.
Chat Severus.
Not too sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move
Chat double.
makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me out of
Chat me for use a double.
I want you to stay.
Chat me go use a double.
It's not much.
When I'm money gun, when I'm anat. Chat come now, double, 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 double.
It's not just something you take. It's
Chat we not have two wheel, we can't win that man at all.
round and around and around.
Chat we not have two galaxy. If you have a glove, drop it.
Oh, now tell
We
me,
can't sniper with him.
now tell me now you know. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way, and I want you to stay. The reason I hold on, 'cause I need this whole gone. Funny, you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving.
Chat we not a galaxy. Cause when we need to see the light.
It's hard to know which one of us is caving. Not really sure how to feel about it.
Chat we not a galaxy.
Way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you.
But it takes me all the way.
I want you to stay.
Chat we can't snipe. Nobody can snipe. There's no snipe.
I want you to stay.
Thanks, Chat.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching
Blue money warm to you.
just bringing me
You have a place that warmer.
Finally, I can see you crystal.
Warm to you.
Go ahead and sell me out.
Warm to you, babes.
See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of
But they keep me thinking.
that we almost had.
Man, stay love over here.
man think I'm a Rosalie that.
People don't rub me in a comment section.
Oh no, wicked.
Who know?
Yeah, you too.
Me not
Remember
go do
what
this
it-
over here, you know.
I write us so we do it.
Oh no,
Right,
no.
Baby girl, you girl. Jump my baby, jump. Yeah, jump.
Me a go jump too.
Yes, so we do it, yeah.
Me a come, me jump, please.
Cause
Me no want it.
yeah, we do it. Right us so.
Me a come, give me a minute. Give me a minute, let me jump, darling.
I don't wanna splinter catch a baby girl. Jump me baby, me don't wanna splinter catch you. Now you more to jump on she. No wanna splinter catch you. I guess how we do it. She blood clot there. Tell her friend me, yes how we do it. Me don't wanna splinter catch you. I search for her. She in her life. She in. She in. She in. She must end. Cause the ones that say me shed my tears, you know. Wicked me get wicked. She end. I guess how we are doing it. We not don't fight here. We go fight. She have to end. A judgment. Tap. Run like thief in the night. No answer to the default. Ring. No answer. She no answer. You must not make the phone ring and you don't answer it. If you answer, I write on social media, we want the ball a roll. How no one spot over here, make sure you get it. Make sure you get the spot over here where you look. So you must not run. Come on, come.
Celebrating 25 years. Digicel, powered by you, connected by us.
Sharon.
You
will, Sexy Christine.
Finding a partner who shares your interests can be hard. As a single everyone, maybe you've tried to meet someone at work,
loving me,
or on mainstream social platform. There is another way. Scan the QR code and try this platform. Over 100,000 people have already found lasting connections on this site. Find someone who gets your passion. You may chat with thousands of nice people globally. It's safe and secure-oriented and free to join. Don't waste time. Scan the QR code. For people in 2026, this platform is a good choice. It's a dating platform that allows you to start conversations with new people instantly. It's simple, easy to use, and makes online connections fun while helping you build long-term relationships, whether it's friendship or romance. So why not to come to this site? Scan the QR code and join.
Try me, I look 2 Galaxy.
What you came for? Don't you wish you came for? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Tonight, I let you know, baby. Tonight, we lose control. Believe that I'll be the best you ever had.
Gee, thank you.
I was right, I'll be the best you ever had.
You ain't even gotta text me. Knowing me and you got that mental telepathy, meet me up at the spot, I'll be sending over the chauffeur. Rich different words, they popping up like a toaster. Nobody come close to me and you
Trap me, I look too mono, but I'm cool, Galaxy.
Make it through any weather except when I make it storm. Sex in the greatest form and hibernating in my body. Yeah, I keep it warm and in a chinchilla. You know I beat it up like a thriller in my killer. Plus my private jets are villas and they thriller. Just throw you on the grill, that's just 7 days a week. You're my 5-course meal.
In time them come here, so we had it with them. Try me, I look too donut. I look too donut.
What up, bro? What up?
I look 30 donut.
Hey, I've been thinking about this guy.
We are trying our top 20.
Everything that he's been through, I just want him to trust me. He should. I'll never hurt him. But what? You know, love. If he loves you, he needs to show you that he loves you. I just feel like let me be the one who can take you from all the things you see. And if you trust in me, I can be that for anything you need. Anything you need. Give it all to me, baby. Don't you run from me, baby.
Try to come out some donuts.
No, only about a thing. 'Cause I know you've seen a lot of things in your life. Got you feeling like this can't be right. I won't hurt you. I'm down for you, baby. I know you've seen a lot of things in your life. Got you feeling like this can't be right. I won't hurt you. I'm down for you, baby. I'm down for you, baby. Show you love can be easy. You just let it be. Nothing is promised, but I believe it. You give me everything.
Trust.
And I give you everything that I got. And I won't stop till you get it right. All the trust and all the love. Know we got it all, baby. No, I'm still your life. This can't be right, baby. I won't hurt you. I'm down for you, baby. Down, 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 down. Things in your life. Got you feeling like this can't be right. I won't hurt you. I'm down for you, baby. Down for you, baby, baby, baby. I trust you. I love you. I want you. I need you. I breathe you. Never leave you. Like you wouldn't say without you. I trust you. I love you. I want you. And I need you. Baby, I breathe you. Never leave you. Like you wouldn't say without you. I
That may look too donut. That try got 20.
Guess it's true, I'm not good and I understand. But I still need love, cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go to plan. I don't want you to leave, so you hold my hand. Oh, won't you stay with me? Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see. But darling, stay with me.
Why am I so emotional?
Why am I so emotional? No, it's not a good look, but I'm self-control. Deep down I know this never works, but you can lay with me so it doesn't hurt. Oh, won't you stay with me? Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see. But darling, stay with me. Won't you stay with me? Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see. But darling, stay with me. Oh, won't you?
Mechanic, Ziggy the Chemical here to tell you that LIG Master Mechanic competition is back and better than ever. Last season was full of vibes, skill, teamwork and dedication. This year is going to be a different setting for you to prove yourself. That you can become the next elite Master Mechanic in Jamaica. Enter now for your chance to win a scan tool, 200. Please, open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! It's not what you think! It's not what you think! Open the door!
We were together. I held you down.
Well, just tone out.
I gave you all of me.
My baby, minute, please.
Look at us now. Thinking of all your excuses, but they don't add were really love. That was all a front. You pushed me far. You brought me to it.
And he's acting funny every time I ask him where he's been.
Doesn't mean he's cheating. I mean, he could be busy.
You blew it.
You better be, because if he ain't, guess what? Him and that bitch will need security.
Boy, who do you think that you are? Trust and believe me. Don't call me. Trust and believe me. You'll never be me.
You getting away tonight?
Baby, Tanya, what the hell is going on?
Who the hell you talking to, yo?
Rosalie, I know yesterday this bumbo clock Rosalie, man. Rosalie! Hey, big girl, Rosalie. Hey, fuck. Rosalie, warm girl. Nothing not going on up. Come like you fall off to blue.
Wow.
My God! Yeah, me say, me team hot your fuck. Be a smoke over here.
Move.
Me hot. Me say, Rosalie, from your call me name to blood club. Me don't know me hot. Me can't, yo, about 5,000 people from morning for me like. Me say, Bumbo can just come on.
Sorry. It's 200 people over there.
Rosalie, me feel say I'm monitoring spirit to the Rosalie. Me feel I watch my life. Me feel I see what, oh you know, oh you just talking, so what telling them in there? MSK, team hot, why pray? Yo, me say me hot in the Rosalie, come on. You want to start how much you want to go up? You want to put you up in that
Over the church of 85.
You want to put you up in that ranking, come on. You want to put you up in that ranking, Rosalie, let's go.
One to the line, you say you're going to send me.
Rosalie, me tell you say tomorrow, you know say tomorrow never come, so wait tomorrow, girl. Well, you can't relax, me I put you up in the ranking now, me I give you come back. You know, come on the live where you say, Gold God, want to come back, you know, me I say, Bumbo Clark, Rosalie, me just come on the app, or if you ask me for your come back,
give me a come back?
Yeah, no that you come and say, Rosalie.
You are giving me a comeback?
Yes! You know me not, Rosalie, don't me not play with you, Rosalie. Me too hot in the Rosalie!
You give me a comeback?
Hey, me say, me say me fall off your foot. Me say, me fall right off.
Who you gonna come back, me or you?
Rosalie, you want to come back, yes or no? It's a simple question, you know, you just stretch out the question and stress the thing. Team hot me name, you know, you want to come back, yes or no? Answer me.
Who you gonna come back?
Rosalie, one more, I ask you one more time before I left your place, you know, because me and your friend and this is going to cause problem between me and you know. Yo, me say before I tell you before.
Oh, you're gonna give me a comeback.
Miss, oh?
Goal, yeah. We're gonna give me a comeback goal.
Just answer the question. Is that yes or no question? Is that a question? You want?
Chain in the neck. With the fake chain in the neck, you're gonna give me a comeback.
Hey, you call me last night, you say, be people, me say, run over, me say, Bumbo Clark. Me say, me have to fly, me say, you fuck, you things, and me never have this right eye corner. But that one, I no fake, you know?
Yeah. We tested.
Yeah, but that don't mean to say fake. It's just real, real gold, but not real diamond. So real. Come on, track team hot, what on?
You have a DJ before we start a match.
Alright.
More you sing, everybody get more, yes.
Alright. Yeah, we team hot. Rosalie, I go feel that. Me say we hotter than fever. Hold on, me find out line. Hold on.
No, I don't want to hear them foolishness there. All we doing today, I think you won lottery today. That more want
You say
hear.
a team what? Team hot, dog. Team bomber clad. Team, yo, I could drop some fire. Team hot, what go on?
Sing that
Drop
part
some
of the
bomb.
song. That more want hear.
Which part you want here?
The one of the song, me I listen to it. Come on, let me do the beat. Come, yeah.
Hi, says the my name is Blake. Hi, I'm just wondering how you doing, Mrs. Gray. Who? It's so wonderful to hear you doing great. Hey, and did you know you win $1 million today? Oh, hey, and didn't know lot of sweet say, you're kidding, hear me out. This is all you get paid. What? Listen to me, your check is on the way, but you gotta send a fee. Is that okay? Yes! Everybody a chat now, Rosalie, make union lock down. Team hot, blood clot. We hot. We hot. Yo, me say one day on TikTok and me hot to blood clot. Come on, me say
Which
port
day?
up. Eh?
Which day at on TikTok?
Me say Rosalie, me hot from come on TikTok. Me don't know why. Me say
Lie.
bumbo clot. Me say bumbo clot. Me say Jesus Christ, it's easy to get at you. Come, hold on, I'm tell you why. Why me know it's easy to get at. A one man me see blood clot. Yo, me wonder how them man they get up on the internet to pussy clot. Such man. You know where the background?
Who's that?
The background man?
Which background, man?
The man who have in the background, one eye background, you know on TikTok? Me not call him man here. Hey, me say Rosalie, yo, me say a giant. Giant to blood.
Who that?
You know me not call, but
Who that?
you know me not call bumbo clot name.
Who that?
Back bumbo clot, bro. The background nice, man. Right. He rise boss, man. You know me that me know what to do, me know nobody. Yeah. Me I say bumbo clot girl. I saw you hot. Trust me, even though it's cause of I brush against the general hot. Tomorrow, they say, team that, we'll see the fire there, what the fire? What the fire?
So you want to look a bit of mix up?
No, I don't mix, no, that you see, me I try, me
That is what you're doing. You're doing mix up.
No, Rosalie, me that try, barely, you see me go so through over corner, but you are try ask her who that, but you, me I try, you know? I mean, I did that know about what we are talking, but you know, you are trying to mix me up now. Hey girl, hold on. Blood clot, they have hot this man. Me say me that try. Come on, if you come play with this man, girl. Blood clot. Me say me a ton. Me not so hot. Oh, you know funny what was?
Rasta. Never know something. I don't want no problem.
When we have blood clot, you mix up my blood clot. Typically, like you over there, blood clot, my mute you. You want to look a blood clot hypocrite. Move, my block off from my door, Adim. My block you off from my page. You want to come mix up blood clot, boy. Run going to Ebo life, so about, sharp plant for step. You know you from long I see you. And all of the names, I'm going to call you, I never call it. Come up from my phone screen and move. You're too enough. When am I call it Batman, me the giant move? Come up from my phone screen. Port up. accuse me of other things you know that you are guilty of. And I see that it is easy for you to blame everything on me. If that's the case, I should go have fun, do all the things you say I do. My might as well continue to take this from you. I might as well have cheated on you. As much as you accuse me of cheating, I might as well have lied to you. As much as you accuse me of lying, I might as well have. I might as well have. As much as you accuse me of lying, I might as well have. My love, as much as you accuse me, I should have cheated. Say I was out with somebody else when my girl told me she saw you with some girl. But I didn't accuse you of something that I didn't see. I realized that I would never do anything to disrespect you. Trust me, you gotta stop accusing me. Shot me a look too Galaxy, I got 20. Shot me a look too Galaxy, I got 20. Don't you know I wish I knew that you would treat me this way. If you don't promise me that you change your ways, I'm leaving today. And I ain't coming back. You made it like that was a bit to me. I'm jealousy. I'm your everything. So you do without me. Why you treat me?
He said she not turn on no sub.
You know him from somewhere? Where do you so? Make him go and go and come. Make him go and go no. Him come pick up, come see me and you know. Sunday AM over Igbo live. Every day them run down number one. You come see me. And you know me not like with them. You know come see people on TikTok. You come see me. You know me a star before you. My big Instagram page. You know walk around and recycle cans. Me not in no business. You come see me. And for you and know me, the names when I'm calling a Steve, you never hear me one day call you yet. Me a gal will see a gambling house. We play box. We share with each other. We buy smoking. And somebody don't know. And for you, you think say you know you think somebody wouldn't see you when you fucking do it. You hypocrite. That's why I'm black you. Because him no, him go to Igbo live now, sniper down. She like number one too much. You come see me. Your voice the power recording is a hypocrite. And now talk to me because I'm mute. Yeah. I don't like you. I eat on like poison. Cool God, we are doing so. Come on, get a boy in a cloud, you know. I not argue with you.
Yeah, right, what?
We are doing not argue. You have all purse when me know in a real life. Should I never sit down and
come think him know in a real life, Rosalie.
look a big pussy boy in a arm, I could snipe her down. She could turn around ranking and send somebody to snipe like your voice in the palm blood recording. So good, liquor batty. Man, I like you know, in a crosses. Don't go back to my old blood clot ways. No, come out.
Rosalie, don't go back over there. Don't go back over. TikTok too nice, Rosalie. Rosalie, over here nice. Over here get nice.
And me could never, ever see her do your thing and try if you say, okay then. Bring her down. What have you put in the atmosphere? Me I rank my money. My team them put me up there every day. Me still on and play a game. Me spend time on TikTok a long time. See him ya? Ask him. Pussy. pussy wall, ask him. A long time with the boy. I hear the blood clot. We know a platform. We just come and crave him. Ring up your mama. I come from a phone screen. I'm dark up the place by you. See him there? A long time with the boy. Yeah, see him there. See him there. Long time with the boy. Yeah. Suck your mama come up from a blood clot phone screen. Bat him man.
That's correct.
If no about the fam no way.
Me no know. Honestly, me confused.
A long time. I tell you who a foundation boy ya. Woman know a long time. You have your platform from Instagram. They them just come and crave now red eye. Me, you, World Dog, Swissley, Raja, Tripper, Brit, Maya, PJ, Kizzy, the whole away. I want to have platform here from the get-go, from the jump.
Yeah, with the hack from back
we can go on our Instagram page, man, and I say Instagram live. You have your platform for Yado.
Freaky live.
Over Instagram, every whatever you do, whatever over there, you do your catch up your things them. These boys don't know from nowhere.
No, me know him long time too, you know.
Eh?
Me know him long time too.
You know the stinking there long time?
No. I'm a dog too. I'm a dog. I'm not. Hold on. But a big man, me know him. You see how me confused? You see what I go on now?
No one see nothing.
No, I don't see nothing. Like, they just know that.
You know what the problem is, Gold God? Me know him in a real life.
No, but me know. Oh.
He's a dog where on a social media, I know him in a real life.
No, but me know the man from school days in a real life. So me kind of know a dog. When they say know a dog, me and dog.
Wow. Dog in a real life. Me and them come along and see you. The names of them call me and see me never try to call him yet. Oh, you for so long on platform I come tabo. She turn on her ranking, she go snipe. She love number one too much. You're a hypocrite. You're playing on my face. But you never know so somebody would have catch you over there when you do it. I catch you. I mean, you know me. I somebody when me know me, I see them literally. Me have him number in a phone, yeah. Me have him number, somebody when me know in a real life.
Hold on, why Rosalie? But hold on, you know why? Hold on, Rosalie. Because I'm not gonna beat the dog. Because you know, me don't know a dog as a fuck up you to the Rosalie, right? So if somebody just comment and say, me I read it and say, they must say, he might help him class me go number one. So
if you are helping your classmate go to number one, that has nothing to do with me. You don't do these things.
No, me get what you say.
You don't do these things.
No, but hold on.
Listen, you have to listen. You come here, come see me. Him come here, come see you. What we get here is what we deserve, and the media, because the media beat we. The media don't start beating, but them collect all the money. The media don't beat you.
Every day, from your tribe, from your cargo.
The media beat us so badly. Anything we get, we deserve it. What you mean by me the business, but you're cool, me not have no beef. Don't do that. You play hypocrite. If somebody never catch up, me that's still an other, you play hypocrite. Don't play hypocrite with me. I always be a friend. No, I'm not in your good, yeah, man. That's it. That's what I'm saying. You don't do those things. You play hypocrite with me. I'm not trouble you.
We don't know who she talk. We don't know who she talk.
Who are you? We just add.
No, people, come on. So they must say them can't share number one. Them can't like too many can't number one night.
Well, God, stop joking out my thing.
No, people them no, Rosalie, I know you may talk to. I swear to God.
Don't follow the people them.
Me a talk.
Me not in a number one store with nobody. Because what?
Nah, cause me never say that word and
Listen, you play and play and play and play and play. And you have days and time when number one, I got free up there, you win it countless of time. Me not in a number one story. And I me never in a number one story from the before. You depend how my soon click back my life and snipe down. Me not depend that. I was on a phone call. I'm saying, no, I'm going to turn on my ranking, end my phone call, turn on my ranking, lock her back my life, and go back to my phone call. Me no bad mind, nobody has to for nothing.
No, you...
TikTok is free for everybody.
You never your bad mind. That's what you're true. You act like your bad mind. Every day you act like your bad mind, to be honest. You remember me used to cuss? No. When me used to cuss you and say, you're bad mind, Rosalie. Top cuss you people, the number one. But me know you're not bad mind.
If I am bad mind, why am I still doing here and flourishing?
Thank you very much. So now that me I say that I was supposed to say every night I say Rosalie you're bad mind, but then what me always do? We play every day.
How much of them make it
strength? You're one of the nicest.
Listen up. How much of them make it strength, boy? Yeah? Them can't ever forget Rosalie in them mouth.
No.
I will never friend. Them can never ever get me
Rosalie.
You see, Jaden, him no good me be. Him no. Him no. Have to listen. If it,
man. Rosalie,
I have no control is what people give to you. Stop putting that in the atmosphere. Bad mind for what? I play to a dimension. And if I'm over here not now going, I'm just talking with people, I'm just drink and chat and do one more of foolishness. A long time the partner, I know the app work. Me no bad mind, no soul for nothing. I rather give a man a strength. If all I know what I like, miss for 300 years, when I come back and me fucker, I don't know. I'm going to happy ape. Nobody like
Bomb Clark. One Rosalie on here. Come off of my screen. Take him down. One blood clot Rosalie. Take him off for your pussy clot. Suck yourself, bad man. One Rosalie. Blood clot young. I know say team had two pussy clot and me a bone up. Facts. Rosalie say yo you have been hot. Remember people you know. One blood clot yo. You play a song before the people run down to pussy clot. No, but my God. You hold on the more let me say how much it. Bumbo clan, I must get 100 people out of this as a team hat, man. Bumbo clan, I can't come back and say me take over the app to pussy clan. John Star, I have to add back my dog, I'm straight to God, me. Yo, John Star. Dog, decline me to pussy clan, I don't want. You see a fuck great car.
Mr. Man, you know from day one, bro. Me not like negativity.
That's why I had to walk. Cause all the people over here, I show them say dog, I know a negative dog. So that's why I'm kind of confused. You see me I say that?
Bro, because you see that lady, the one that make the screen recording and causing turmoil, she's the nucleus of problems, bro.
So it did say something.
Yeah.
A joke get around you.
Me not say nothing like that, bro. Listen to what me say. It there, bro. Like me a play.
Nothing that you say, I won't feel any kind of way because you don't know nothing about me. You said I'm supposed to go and rub my clit.
Mr. Go find something down and rub your clit, woman.
Mr. Natty Dread, my clit is quite soft, comfortable, and resting. It doesn't need any rubbing.
Alright. You see that lady what make you this? Everybody business. I mean everybody this big woman. Everybody business. You have. Everybody. You run with everybody things. Why you not gonna take care of your bumbo clad pitney?
Whoa. So wait. Whoa.
Yo,
What we doing?
where daughter name? Ariana. Why the fuck you not go take care of Ariana, old lady?
Oh, nah, me I get. How are this?
And me get it. You take care of daughter.
But Claude, Rosalie can't diss me up to pussy, Claude. You must be mad. Jesus Christ, this is when cast already too. The company have them and take me down already to pussy, Claude. Jano. This tea is so serious. Rosalie, yo, how you gonna fuck off? Yo, man, you see people them are yo, me now work with TikTok in a Rosalie. People them are telling me how Rosalie over there this yo.
Oh, when I this a fact?
That me wonder me ready for cuss me and say there's no fucking way. No. Yo, me say me done with TikTok in a Rosalie. Me come off of this bumbo class there, you know.
What God when me a this a fact? You know some boy yo?
I don't me come
All I am saying is, if you miss it for 300 years and you come back on the app, I want person always drive for Rosalie. I mean, I don't start play with you know. Listen, my talk. I mean, alone no start play with you know. I mean, alone I'm gonna catch the FYP. I mean, alone no put in the back up in the blood clot. Speed and meter burn up. Me alone.
What? You know say a team at the name.
Me alone do it.
You alone do that.
Nobody else cannot do it. Me alone pick you up from the rags, and put in the riches on the still style me. Me a bad mind for nobody for number one. No don't rinse me name. No put that in the atmosphere. Me a bad mind nobody for nothing. I told you can't banalize a fast teeth and bumbo. You ramp with my career. I'm me alone. When I miss you have a person missing out for almost a decade. I won't force you and draft you. When I see him, I say, come here, sir. And
come over the blood clot.
I told you to be happy alive.
No.
They say me Mrs. Great.
One
the
fucking great. No man. When I say bumbo clot, one somebody me can draft for Rosalie.
One somebody. Nobody else.
Somebody. And I know one somebody. What I say one somebody now go blood clot say yo. Now go blood clot bring me back for here for Rosalie. Rosalie a real girl, watch every day, you know, girl. Don't feel say me no blood clot watching, you know. Nobody can tell me nothing about blood clot, Rosalie.
Me never get my fair share of love and respect by you and gratitude, but it's okay. Me a bad mind for number one. Let us try go there. Me want go up there, come a bad mind for you. Come!
Yo, I see some people bad mind, Rosalie. Yes! Finally, guys, let's go. Team Hot, let's go.
Let's try for bad mind for number one.
Yeah, me want go number one now. Me want go blood clot number one. Team Hot, let's go. People time now.
Anytime them go over the globe and come back and me put them back on the map. We are trying to go up in the ranking.
No, me I go up in the ranking. Yo, somebody call phone you. Tell him restart him live and forward over here. Sir.
Me not play no match with him, you know.
No, me want to play match. So suppose he gonna shoot for me and put me on
let me see what he want to do. Him always recycle. Him like man.
Come on, my side. Team Hot, let's go.
Double.
Team Hot, what go on?
I'm busy with him.
Fuck, blood clot or someone squish?
Yeah.
One Rosalie on the app. Me side,
me and my team I try to go up in the ranking because I remember we bad mind. Me alone, and that's why I always go strive on this. My heart clean. Like Jesus slippers. Like
Jesus water. You say like Jesus water, because Jesus walking like slippers.
Him poor.
Like Jesus water. No, Jesus pour sweat sometimes. Think about it.
Clean.
No, clean like Jesus water.
Focus,
chat. This are the times 3. Zilla! Your father, you can't call the queen, bro, because I want to take no Rosalie no, because she say you have to beat her if you can talk to her now. Be a she said, shh, listen.
Some of the power hungry people again, because when the hunger pay rubbish.
Me say I be a fucking chat when you're hungry for you now. Why are you hungry now?
If me slung and put in the work and put in the hours and reach there, why? I work for it. Come on, bad night. When me I run down. But sit down and put him work and put him hours and play my match them and reach there. What you mean by
you
have shooter? You don't have pussy boy.
Come on,
We say a Viking man, a Viking that you see.
Alright, Bumbo Clan, no sir. Dog, 2.5 no bro, I want how the fuck this?
Me put in the work.
Already? Rosalie, you need to let me get out of Rosalie.
Put in the work. Eh? See blood clot Dandre there, have a train line him live. I'm gonna tell him put in the work, ask him, I meet him about open shop, I say put in the blood clot work because you're young and you're nice looking, you're worth a gift over see I like you. Ask him. Hey boy, you know make my dark and corrupt. You never know. No kind of junk crow. See Dandre there, a train line him come from. One brown boy from over a train line. I want to see my open shop. A 2 words, I tell him, put in the work because you're young and you're nice looking. You have a whole bag gift that will say you like you because you're nice looking. See him then I chat? He might get a type kind of sub, but I tell him for open shop. Them thing I'm going to call me. My dad.
Man.
Because what?
I feel more right?
I look at shit.
Everybody want to share the life. Want to share the life.
I have sit and I have tell him, see them? Because my blood clot now. The open shop is put in the work. You're young, you're good looking. You have gifted always say I like you. Come know the app run. Put in the work. See him there? But someone tell him, posting around with my badness. You're bad man for nothing. You put in the work. By a sweat of your brow, you shall eat, but God don't feed a lazy man. Me still don't put in my house to reach what me want to reach from this.
That's why I met at the right time.
But dedicate my life to this. Me sacrifice a lot, me lose a lot for this. So let's see about that, but I come bad mind me.
See what I'm going on?
Consistent is the key.
Let's go.
See him there? Him there, my number one bubble. Me see about open shop. One Sunday, I say, come here.
You can't get nobody from online.
Come buy me something I really want to. I just sit and then buy. Ask him. Ask him. I even when him try a thing and the workout, him still come back to me and say, Rose, you know, say, Rate and blah. When I see him about him come to me and say, you know, so Rate and blah, blah. I see if him come from over a train line, I know him. See him then I'm a bubble, ask him. I know him like me hand back. I'm a general, I'm a J. Me name reason. I'm tell him about I'm saw the app work. You have you're nice, you're good looking, enough gifters will say but you like you, because you're young. Some of them really like man, but when I feed them think that when I boil them don't pan that. I have charisma, you have charm, them say I like you and shoot for you because them say I like you. And them say, Mr. Rate and there, man, my reason. Ask him. I'm say put in the work. See him there?
I try to put in the work and all she tell me,
you have to put in the work. And consistent is the key. So you can't say people put in them work from a milestone. I come tell them all them bad mind. Oh, me for bad mind, you know when me put in my work.
And this one do you bring me the myself?
Him fall off, you know, but we're gonna beat him. Oh, me for bad mind, you know when me put in, me literally put in my work. I want no bad mind me. Because if me put in my work, I create my fans and my gifters them. Who want to pass through a senior play match and I want to shoot up. Oh, don't shoot.
Trad. Come on, no Trad. Nobody no bad mind.
I tell him, oh, don't shoot. But put in the work. I'll try to know it, you know. I was also me and my friend. I know it, you know. The first time when I rang for the money, my meme asked. What do you do? I say, here we do. Make a video and say, guys, we are trying for number 1 this week. And after him done him with him number 1, and when him with him first number 1, him tap me so much. When Jaden I pay him first official match, and me, still want to play with him, I have one gifter when him Shelly. You don't ramp with my badness, boy. Yeah. Me keep my hand and my heart clean at all times and pray.
Yo, people get some shares.
One of no crumble over this blood pattern on me, on no mind make no crumble. On no heart black.
Phone you can't end him live now, man, and come over here.
Chat, we are trying to go up there, some place. Where you want? Yeah, the next one, you know. You come over here. With the bag of crowd, you just send them go reach out, you just flung a smoke. It now go work, I go leave your building. I go lie down in my bed. I don't do my yard already, I work from home.
Fucking hell, I tell them people, you fuck up over here so to blood clot. Fuck up over this to pussy.
I'm not to phone you truth for you.
Dana, in the life, man, Dana, in the life. 9 Rose, my side. That's true. Be people sit down over here to pussy. Come me dear. You never get 10 Rose. Come on, my side. Some Rose, my side. Me can't remember that team call. Let's go.
When the scheme I bring it on, I bring it on yet. When the scheme I call him Batman, never call him Batman yet. Never call him Batman.
How much more Rose do you need? 3 more Rose. 3 more. Let's go. We can't take everything on the side. 2 more.
You know me, overbox. Oh, turn off my light, the sniper down. A message. Big Fab, pull up a message. Him over there chat me with the people that I'm never troubling me yet. Hypocrite. But you know some people that catch you. I'm cackle to termite. I want to rub you out like 120 bag. But I just hold my composure. Double chat. Stink like shit. Think me nice? Double.
Double chat.
Double chat. Anything you can't send it. Me never brought like a 20 bag.
Come on my side.
You over the arm shit ranking for number 1. Me not rank for number 1, you know. Me done rank like I'm ranking and gone for my phone call, gone sweep up my house and change my dog pan with all pa shit.
Try.
Warren Breed text me and say to me, say, Rosalie, make sure to turn on a ranking. Okay, you not turn it on. I'm say, okay, Warren Breed. Okay. The message on my phone. I come to my house and the way out this upon the bench in a conversation with one of my friend them.
Yo.
When I see reach 2 something, I turn it on back. Yeah, so I got to turn my ranking and call it back. Me use my phone, yeah. Turn on my ranking and lock about my live and up on my phone call. What the fuck you over in a box with Ebola in my chat? I'm not trouble here. And then, oh, you accept me for feel. If it doesn't hear me, no, I'm not hypocrite. So when you see me, I see you don't hail me, come on, spit in your face. Don't chat to me. You come see me. You don't walk and recycle like dog. I don't do recycling, I'm not hungry. Let me show the people that me want to. I don't do recycling a long time. I never used to do recycling, I do it now. Me will satisfy what I get. When I come over here, don't pump with me. You come see me, pussy. You come to bad mind. Because bad mind, you don't come see me. Even when you come see me, the whole of you come blood clot see me. If I'm 21, I'm on social media, who no bad mind me? Can I walk and recycle, no fuck.
Chat, you can't buy a bad.
I don't make the innocent chat, I make them a class, yo.
You know, no score on my side. Come on my side. Bombo, pussy blood clot. She want attention. Rosalie, you can never want attention.
Me, I look 2 money gun.
I'm money gun.
2 galaxy, me I try go. Where they are 50, we I try go 10. Stink like dog. We I try go up there.
I'm not like people over here.
I'm there for my weekly, ask him.
Be a people over here.
But they have to ask him. I don't care what they about.
Be a dirty drunk over here.
And me, him and Triple and Jabba say me support and break them. And Maya and teaching him, him keep him first birthday party. A taboo and invite the whole away. I get VIP section for him. I never forgot the night and the whole away. Them time we were the whole away. Me, Triple, Maya and TJ Britt. Cause I landed them and Nancy Eber. And all King, all King, we're gonna find the dead too. And him get the VIP section for because him attack me, and I follow him up. Come and know him, I just leave him. I was there, they would dance at the club, I would drink and liquor. We make up money, we buy liquor, we buy hookah. And all him wine pan in our party, I'm a friend like that, I'm a friend. Him know say, once him come back on TikTok and him can draw for Rosalie, because I have the essence there, I have the aura there for hours and
God, you're coming like this in me.
I don't care over the world, them go, them always come around and have me for convenient. And so I love people, I never start like you know, have 1 and 2 and 3. Stay far from me. Because you told me I'm one demonic person, I like you know. Not talk about you, you know. Because you're not hungry. Not about the hungry people that are used to nothing.
Why, Rosalie, you know, like broke people have blood clot. Come on here, Mr. Let's go. Come on, Mr. Team, let's go. Come on, chat. When you can't have me over here, when you can't, we could do something now, bro. My God, she bring me up, but me a father, she beat me like a dog shit. Fucking hell.
First gift double, we have a money gonna Galaxy, some donut send it, we are try to go up there.
Don't when she done with the pussy clam, come on for TikTok to pussy. Come on, Miss I, let's go.
First gift double, and then we're gonna me a come back later. Coming out film with 2.8 people, coming out look no crowd.
Me, boy, body for people over here, I mean I don't crowd.
We don't want so much views, that's something me I look.
A big crowd in me, I say bumbuckle when I mean we never have so much crowd.
Don't want so much views, it's something me I look. I'm gonna get nothing up in the ranking, me I go leave and come back later. Me I go lie down. One man by one.
Come on, listen, let's go. I too hot for now. Yeah, I want to love my friend Rosalie, you know, I want to stop it in the comment section. If you not shoot, you can comment.
Them broke.
I don't say, yo, you know, I can put on sub comment and me alone and then you can say anything.
Them broke.
Them broke your fuck.
All of them broke. They want to like to type. That's why me like my chat. I could have views over here daily. I don't want to views over here because them not send me nothing. One bag of people here where I say and them not send $1. Them broke. I don't want them over here. I don't want to broke people. I stop channeling the energy long time. That's why I stop my life from December. I could have views, 11,000, 10,000.
Give me 9,000, please. You want the views.
You know, me a judgment, I just choose not to. Me a change that. Me a try change my follow ground. Me a try change my judgment.
You see, man, 9,000
person. Me a try use love and win. Don't corrupt me back.
Use it, girl. You have to use it, girl.
Turn back to. You know, go on, man. You don't want to crowd over here.
9 hours beside 9 hours. 9 hours of blood clot. Come on, one more blood clot, 1 more. Alright, that is it, everybody. We get it to pussy clot. We can win 1 game. Come on, beside. Turn up the team, man. Turn up the team. Your last one, they said me didn't even get a score and she gone.
But use a double.
Inside, I'll go cut to the score side. Let's go.
Chop me go use a double.
Best side, let's go on my side. Let's yo. Oh my God, come on, yo. So me know nobody know yet Rosalie Petrina. I love she use and winning.
Use a double. Chop me go use a double so we can go up in the ranking. Use a double chat. When I have the more money gun, combo some donut, combo some anat. Send on you can send. You have to try.
Try.
I'm gonna restart.
Restart, yeah, man. Because what if people reach over here to pussy
I
clan?
want so much crowd slump, but I can't have 2.4K, I can't get a wheel.
And there 5,000 people over here, that means me hotter than Rosalie, no.
I don't want 2.4K, I can't get a wheel, I'm gonna restart.
No, sir.
If we not reach out, I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna go away. I'm not gonna argue. We are looking too well from somebody who like we. You know, leave my place. Leave my place, no man. No go on, no man. Me I try to get 100K on the board, no go on.
Imagine you can get so much score. Imagine you get so much score and I got an answer over there to pussy clan.
Hello, me know my program different. Me don't want a crowd. Maybe people that like me get chance to put 2 money on. Me don't want a crowd for me. Me not like crowd. Me not song with a 3,000, 5,000, 8,000. I want me end my life. Me not have nothing. Me not poppy show. Me not do them macro work there. Maybe 2 people like me can reach out to 1 when I want 2 money gun. I'm versatile, Vanessa. You don't want a crowd for me. You don't want a crowd over here that me say. Me have 2 people like me. Them can't come. Leave my building. Me go restart. Get rid of someone. Me don't want a crowd. Me not look no views.
Yes, on the dirty drunk crowd come over my side. Me I look views. Me I try to get hot.
Inside, got team
I try to get hot. What like dirty drunk crowd come over my side. Me love views. Dirty fucking drunk crowd. I'm gonna pack up over blood clot girl like when I like when I do nothing blood clot.
Go on over film live. Go follow him and give me. No want a view.
Come off a blood clot. Send the one of them over here, Rosalie. Send them
no. No want a view.
Send the fuck of them over here, blood clot.
Go on over film live. Go type. Over the free type. Type all 101.
Type.
Take the money gun them and them go on over there. Thank you, Vanessa.
Let's go.
Go on over film live, go type.
Yeah, send them again. Send me one more match. One. That is it, my side. You send the money gun, you're too excited.
You can't beg your wheel, my baby. Let me join me, beg your wheel.
Girlfriend, and you. No drunk crowd come over here, no man. Dirty blood clot drunk crowd them Rosalie. Me don't know why you start your lies in a girl.
No one to coach on the not views.
Be a fucking drunk for pilot over here with views.
I don't want views over here. Me have paid subscriber, me don't want views.
Yo, take that. Me not none. Me want to come over here so we can look.
No one.
I'm coming about blood clot Rosalie every second.
Them broke.
Money, yo, Shachi.
Come we use the first gift double. Me not
come now, brokers don't come. First gift double.
First gift double chat. We can get out some on the double back. Yes, something. Look your small bit. Chat recharge us every even 2 donuts recharge it and send it. First gift double. Somebody will pass through. Father God will send somebody to pass through. Me not give up. Me's a fighter. Me's a hustler. You don't want to call for me.
That is it, baby.
Don't leave me office.
No, bumbo clad. Come over here, so over here, Janko ground. You fucking deaf on corruption. What these people when I do nothing at bumbo clad daytime? No, come over this. Cause we have spare time. Come over this. Sure. And make sure you follow me too, please. I'm begging you, me not cuss no. Me not go blood clot cuss around like Rosalie. Me never ever run the people there yet. Yeah, you blood clot make it followers your fuck. Yo, Rosalie, I'm still not baby, but she have over there, huh?
Me not customer, me just don't want them over here. I rank me
come over this on the drunk girl. Me a cuss them for you. Me a cuss them for you, girl. Me a cuss them for you. Come on, my side. 9 rows side. 9 rows strat. 9 people out of the drunk girl them do.
Try to make it go 4.
Do. Rich kid, come on my side. We can do it, you know?
One feel you can let me something, auntie?
3 more person on my side. We can do it, you know? We can do it. 1 more. Team hot. 6 bars. Let's go. Artist team on TikTok right now.
Come on, use the double chat.
Come on my side. Double my side, double. We can do it, you know?
If we use the double chat, we have to use the double.
Team dog shit.
Everyone can say we are trying rank. We are trying rank. Vanessa, thank you more. Thank you. Favor, thank you. Chat, help out favor and every people we are trying to 4. Carly, thank you. We are trying look it. You don't want to call for them 1.
Bro, dirty junk come
straight. Now, Papi show. One more, I want to call for me today. You don't want to views. Oh.
Oh no, flop again. 1 more night and flop to Pussycat.
Chat, we are look 30K for God 4. You don't want no views for me. No views. Leave me.
Who get that job? Me and Rosalie. Which one are we get that job?
Come see me. Say me there. Move and leave my building. Me don't want a crowd over here. Go on with the people that need views.
Me soon hope, man. Me soon mad, man. Me soon mad.
People don't have no use seat. Pay typing. Me hate reading. Because I'm fully done. No one have views. What kind of entertain or no?
Yo, listen, I mean, read your fucking come and say, I want to put me over here to blood clot. I said reading.
Here reading.
Me read your fuck.
No one about to take me in the dark.
Come on, Mr. Let's go on my side. We can't put up some score, man, because, boy, I read too much, I know, you know. When we read into some score, no, man, bumbo class.
We never read into the score because that them come out the time.
No, man, some of them over here say them have a show, but them that wait.
Oh?
They say them get it out and them get it off of their chest first.
Chat, me go reach out the people want $5, want $10. I put 2 money gun, 2 something. Pamela, thank you. Favor Nikki, Vanessa. Well, Vanessa. Favor Nikki, Vanessa, legendary Colin, Keely. More.
I not give a blood clot must be all over here so to pussy clot. Bumbo clot. 3 game to pussy clot. Alright, come on, we're going to see some different set of people. You're going to broke people in the whoa, come like Rosalie hater them broke your fuck. Whole of Rosalie hater them broke to pussy clot. That me realize. Love money. So what she feel love?
Sim, thank you. Chat we are try go up on the podium. Somebody chat we are try go up on the podium. Chat me go reach chat we are try go up on the podium.
Yo,
So we
give
are
everybody in a bro.
Chat send on the can send we are try go up on the podium.
You are haters them over here. Me don't know why I be a haters them put up over here.
Everybody thank you no. Tappers thank you. Somebody will pass through. Come.
Chat team fall off. What on? Chat.
So you go on.
One of Rosalie's biggest haters. No, I'm chat.
That first gift times 3.
Nobody no hate Rosalie like times 3. Nobody no hate Rosalie times 3, my God.
That first gift times 3.
Yeah.
Chat first gift times 3. First gift times 3.
Rosalie, you're fuck.
Favor thank you. Help out favor that we have 2 more wheel. Chinese trying to dance, shot or someone will go on and leave my place. I could try. A teamwork do it. So I favor alone over here and Shanice. And Jai.
Rosalie, a silent game I play, man. Silent game.
I guess you must keep quiet.
Shelly, big up yourself. I think say me screw hot just to call you fuck.
I think you must keep quiet, clippings, thank you. If a silent game I play, keep quiet, no?
Might as well to pussy clad. Come on, try. Wicked. Me think say anything hot.
Two and a chat.
I know this seems impossible to pussy chat. I know one girl was just saying, Shelly, Jesus Christ. You have 2 and a put on Jesus Christ. 2 and a half my side. I know, and that's quite impossible to beat over Rosalie, I know, and that's a fucking problem, you know. I know, star. Yo, that is it, chat. One more. Yo, we are still doing our beginnings, you know. Shelly, that is it.
Carly, man, make one strength.
Yeah, Shelly.
Stop, make we use a double.
Double my side, double.
Stop, make we use a double. We are try go up there. Chat back for use a double. Vanessa, thank you. Come on, chat. Help out Vanessa. Favor, thank you. Help out Vanessa and favor, chat.
No, man, you have to reason that.
Shut up your mouth.
Chat.
Shut up your mouth. Chat, we now have 2 more wheel, chat. So Vanessa and favor alone for 1.7K. Chat back for use the double. Talk for the money going on. We have more money going on in the galaxy. Combo some donut. It help. We try. Shut them out. I said the broke people them over there don't recharge. Combo some donut. Chat combo 30 donut if you don't have it.
Chat. Wicked power over here, chat. Nah, they're not again. They bring you up and take it down fast. Wicked. Get on this song. What? What may play love song, bro?
Hey, but no, say my ears, because you lose. No, we not play that. Maddy badness blend me something. I gotta start black some on a big battery. I slide through my life at daytime. I can't get nothing from. I'm kind of tipsy. And see a talk.
Come on, chat. Next member signing match. Who can request song, babes? You have to just next time go snipe, though.
Vanessa, thank you, favor, thank you, Joy.
You never thank to play, you know. When we feel like, you know, it's a chill night. More time you want, you know, play some music, have a vibe and shit. But, you know, I guess if I have to know how to play, you know, it's
That's first.
You see me?
Trina, let me stop that, Trina. Just make it one lie and just call it, come here, do a type. I got none for you.
Come on, guys. Times 3, guys. Times 3, guys.
I'm going to use the times 3.
Times 3, guys. Let's go.
Humble King Tank, kill it. Trina, use the times 3.
Yo, man, I tell you, bro, but them I take no money at me, killer. You can't reach out to me, killer.
Use the times 3, chat. We don't have no more money because we don't have no wheel. We don't have an actor post. Lock off that, yeah, lose.
I will never fall in love with another sweeter than you, sweeter than you.
Yeah, lose.
I will never fall in love.
Why is there Rosalie?
You're losing, lock off that.
Also, I can't play no music.
Nope. Yeah, lose.
They can't mute me, I'm vibes. They can't mute me, I'm vibes.
No, it's a silent match you're playing. No. Send the broke people, them go recharge. I tap entertain them. So you go sit down and waste 2-3 hours for nothing. Send them go recharge and you go make them go on. Like I have a comment because them now put. How many people have play live? What you want? How much people over there? 400 people. I'm can't send them money. Like I have a comment, make them go on.
Lock it off.
2 and a.
Come on, chat. 2 and a, chat. 2 and a. I lock it off. I lock off. Boom,
2 and a, chat.
2 and a.
3 not thank you. 1 more and a, my team.
Yo, one more crowd. Alright, that is it. Yo, John.
MJ, thank you, baby.
I'm restart off of this 2-6.
Sweet.
Can't get on 2-6. Real goal guy. The man fall off your fuck. John,
400 people them can't send 2 and I forget your speed. And you want to play. Make them go on with them and go with them.
No, man.
Come on, them and show them. Make them trick you.
Me say them and make a fool of me over here, see? People half an hour now.
You allow them to do it.
So you get rid of them now, Rosalie?
Lock off your comment.
But me can't lock off my comment section.
Well, go and look on them and read and laugh to yourself. Maybe you have money. Double chat.
No, but they're funny. But no, you have to remember they're funny. Are they not funny?
Use a triple chat.
Chat, use a triple.
Use a double. Trina, thank you. We not have no wheel, we not have Galaxy, we not have 2 money gun. Chat, we are trying gas 7, we need 4K for gas 7 chat. Chat, me look one poster, one Galaxy for gas 7.
That's true.
Chat, we can't get 2 more money gun, 2 Galaxy.
Chat, we can't
get 2 money gun, 2 Galaxy. Chat, we have to have Vanessa look like a restart.
Me them a bring down to restart.
Restart.
You need to lock it off. Me restart.
Yeah, me go restart. Me don't want so much crowd for me. 1.5K we can't get 2 wheel. Eh? Then we could have 1.5K and entertain you, so I do it. Me not doing it. 1.5K, me not doing it. Me not doing it. 1.5K, we can't get 2 Galaxy 2 wheel. This don't look good. No, this don't look good. 1 over 1.5K. Then why so much I wanna do? I'm come and work, I'm not work no way, you know. Our TikTok feed me, Mr. Baker. If it wasn't for TikTok and my support of them, hungry kills me. Me naked like dog. I put them can't go to school and the dog, not even the dog wouldn't live here so. You know my people, let me restart. I mean them I murder restart for them get the notification when I still with someone who know when I send me shit. I want to say when I bring me down in the comment section later on. Not entertain you know. For me not getting my people in the year, I go try one more. If me not get on that, my people in the day, I go restart. If me not get on that, my people in the day, I'm going to restart. Not sitting with the far so I'm not sitting with so much I know. If me not get on that, my people in the day, brown sugar, I'm going to restart. First gift times 3. Clippings. Me not get nothing. Me can't get 2 wheel, 2 galaxy or 1 post. Me not stay. That mean my people in my day. I pay fast people don't like me there. And them all bring me down in the comment section later, kill him. Me don't want them over here. Me not entertain. Me entertain my people them. And if them don't there, me not staying. First gift times 3. That means that my people in my day. I go give them one warm welcome. Go like me soon.